Okay. If you decide to become medtech student eventually, bawa, wala talaga. Shift tayo. You will be asked to memorize 30 blood groups. Okay? Dami yan, blood na memorize dyan. Pero as nursing students, as nurses, there are only two important blood groups. You have the ABO and the RH blood group. Sa medtech kasi kailangan pa nila malaman M, N, aside from the AB, and D antigens, and then you have the O, K, etc. Dami yan. Haba. Okay? In the ABO blood group system, meron kang apat na blood types. You're either type A, B, AB, or O. Ano yung sabihin doon? Sino na tumusan niya ng lipat? Doktor or doktora? Doktor. Okay, doktor ng Pable. Sabi ni doktor ng Pable, meron tayong antigen na they are either suspended in the blood or are found on top of the cell. Tama? These are proteins, glycoproteins, that are in the surface or the cell membrane of our RBC. Now, if you are type A, you have the A antigen. Kung baga sa estudyante, kung meron kang A na ID, ibig sabihin pangalan mo A. Ganun lang simple yan ha. Kung anong antigen yung present sa kanya, yun yung pangalan. If you are type B, dahil ikaw ay meron B antigen. Kung ikaw ay type AB, parehong antigen ang present. Kapag type O, walang antigen ang present. Pero,